Hello and welcome to my channel, Make English Easy.
Lesson number 10, Magic E, the long O sound.
Do you know what this image is? Let's learn to spell and read. H, O, L.
Hole.
Now it's your turn. Practice with Teacher Toffee.
Hello, I will help you.
H, O, L. Hole.
Say it again.
H, O, L. Hole. H, O, L. Hole.
Now practice with me.
H, O, L. Hole.
Say it again.
Hole. Repeat after me. Hole. Hole. Hole.
Wow, well done. Let's do it one more time.
H, O, L. Hole. H, O, L. Hole. Hole. Repeat after me. Hole. Hole. Hole.
Don't forget to try and read the sentence at the end of the video. You can download a free flashcard using the link in the description below. Please subscribe. Can you read this sentence?
There is a hole in the road. Repeat after me. There is a hole in the road. There is a hole in the road.
Say it again.
Hole. There is a hole in the road. Repeat after me. There is a hole in the road. There is a hole in the road. Hole.
Great job. Well done. Keep practicing every day and you'll soon be reading. If you enjoy my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for your support. Try and read the sentence in my next video. See you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye.
We are going to learn the magic E. So sit right down and read with me, yeah. Like cake, take, bake, and make. Magic E changes the sound we say.
With Teacher Mick, alphabet to reading. Learn with Teacher Mick, reading really quick, yeah, yeah. Teacher Mick.
Ta-da! See you next time.